Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But a very, very impressive bounce on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here. However, by the time the closing bell rang, the price was able to fight all the way back up there. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still work that needs to be done, but that was definitely a very impressive movement on the bulls' part. But that all brings about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 1275 mark. Why is 1275 important? I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 1275, behave in that manner, then work to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, there's going to be no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. And again, that quote-unquote progress point right there at 1275. As far as areas of resistance, it's all about the big purple line right here. The very well-known 50-period moving average. You can see that's already presented a problem earlier. Current value of that is up there right around $13.20. So keep a close eye on that headed into Monday. But all in all, for what started off as a very, very rough day, the price and the bulls bounced back nicely. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon that momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.